plate ready, I'm going to go ahead and show you the different parts of the electrical panel itself. Always unscrew these a little bit here so you don't hinge the door. Okay, so open that up here, take it off, set it to the side. We already replaced the main breaker on this guy. It came with a 200 amp breaker, but to save time, we already had it. We already replaced it. That's for another video. Take the panel off. Keep the screws. Be very careful for the screws. The meter section. This is the utility side. This is the line side. This is the load side. Set everything off to the side. I keep the box intact for my trash. That way it's easy to dispose of one time. Recycle, reuse. Okay, now if you see here, here's the busing on the utility side, line 1, line 2, and here's your neutral. It's also bonded to your ground bar. Okay, so it goes in line 1, goes up through the meter. Once they put the meter in, it goes back to the bus through here, the wire bus here to your main, and here's your main breaker. Main breaker's off, and then the same line goes here, and it feeds alternating each side, line 1, line 2, or A and B, A and B, A and B, and here's your neutral bonded to your ground. Okay. One of the things we're going to do is we're going to measure the distance from where our lugs are to our bottom. I need roughly 20 inches for the old conductors to fit in here, because you'll see that this box here is 36 inches while the old box is 25. So I have to cut out stucco stuff here to make sure that these conductors here line up where these here. So I'm going to be looking at, again I said, double check, 20 inches here. Take my pencil or Sharpie, 20 inches here, excuse me, is where the bottom of my box needs to be. So I'm going to have to cut out all this stucco here, all the way down to here, and remove all these items. Telephone, doesn't matter, move it out of the way, it has to go. Because there's no slack in these. You are not allowed to pull or splice in this terminal box. PG&E in this area will shut you down. So you get started, the line inspector will come in, the lineman will come in and not energize you until you make the corrections. So it's absolute paramount. Some guys will splice it in there for you as a friend or a favor. It happens real rare. Just do it right the first time. Okay.